Gondor fully automatic noodle machine. Noodle production line. Make the dough sheets smoother. Meet different production specifications. Fully automatic process, fast and efficient. Strong gear transmission. Long-lasting operation is not easy to damage. Processing effect show. Put in the dough. Multi-roller pressing. Press out the noodles. Cut and lift. Fast running speed. Greatly save labor. The surface width is flexible and adjustable. High production capacity. Adjustable dough thickness and width. Finished product display. Client feedback.